So do you guys remember the name of the snakes?
Yeah.
Show me. Show Daddy. Show me. Point to it. Go point to it. Get closer.
A copperhead.
A copperhead? Help him out, Zeke.
A rattlesnake.
What snake?
A rattlesnake.
Point to the rattlesnake. Show me. Go touch it. Why is it called a rattlesnake?
Because so you don't step on it.
So you don't step on it?
No.
So its tail is like a rattle, right?
Yeah.
Make sure you don't step on it because you can hear it, right?
Yeah.
It's like a baby's rattle. How about the cottonmouth? Which one's the cottonmouth?
The black one.
The black one?
Yeah.
Show me. Point to it. Go up there. Oh, wow. What's the one with all the colors? The red, the yellow, and the black? Starts with a C. Roll. Coral snake. Yeah, it's got a lot of colors. You should be able to find it with all the colors, right? Yeah?
But it's just pretend.
It's not pretend. Those are real snakes.
Yeah.
Yeah, those are the poisonous ones. So what do you do when you see those snakes?
Be careful.
Be careful?
The sea snakes.
The
sea snakes.
Sea snakes?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
Be careful when you step on snakes.
Be careful when you step on snakes, right?
Yeah.
Hopefully you won't step on one.
Why?
Huh?
Why?
Because
What?
maybe they're just like chilling and sleeping and then you step on them.
And then what?
Then you mess with them and then they get upset, right?
And then they will bite you?
They might try to bite you.
Why? Why?
So when you walk through the forest, what do you have to say?
Yahweh with me.
Yahweh is with me, right? So Yahweh
Yahweh
goes before me
goes before me
to make it safe
to make it safe.
so that I can pass.
The snakes are sleeping.
The snakes are sleeping?
Yeah.
And when you walk through the forest in the woods, what else you say?
Yahweh's before me.
Yahweh goes before me, right? I come in the name of Yahweh. Watch out, snakes. Get behind me. Huh? What do you say?
Get behind me, devil.
Get behind me, devil.
Does the snakes
I come in the name of Yahweh, right?
But the snakes come from devil?
Huh? No, God actually made the snakes. Yahweh made the snakes.
How?
With his mouth, he just declared them. And then they became into existence. But they got a purpose too. Everything that God creates has a purpose, right?
Mm-hmm.
What is snakes' purpose? What do the snakes do?
They bite.
They bite. What do they bite?
People.
No, they go and eat like the different rodents, other animals.
Yeah.
Yeah? Oops. Your brother just fell. Okay, let's go.